Social entrepreneur, a guy you're all familiar with, Mr. Bam Aquino.
Thank you. Nangyari rin sa ating bansa. I mean, saan ka nakakita, yung bansa po natin, mga kabataan, di na kailangan maging broadcaster para makaabot sa libo-libo mga tao. Nung ako, estudyante, some years back, kailangan isa kang Corina Sanchez o isa kang Noli De Castro para maabot mo yung sandamakmak na tao.
Presence of the Vice President of the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Jejomar Binay, Ms. Annie S. Garcia, President of SM Shopping Center Management, Secretary Sonny Coloma ng Presidential Communications and Operations Office, Chairman Francis Tolentino of MMDA, Mr. Hans C., President ng SM Prime Holdings Incorporated, ang tagalang-galang na DOST Secretary Mario Montejo, the new Philippine Standard Time, which will be launched by tonight. Please welcome Ms. Annie S. Garcia, President of SM Shopping Center Management Corporation.
The Honorable Vice President Jejomar Binay, our PCOO, or the Presidential Communications Operations Officer, Mr. Sonny Coloma, our DOST Secretary, Mr. Mario Montejo.
Dahil po ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon ay oras ng Pilipino, pahintulutan ninyong magtalumpati ako ng maikli sa wikang Pilipino.
The Honorable DOST Secretary, Mario Montejo.
Kami sa DOST is happy to be part of this project. Isang dyan na tayo mga kababayan. It's my pleasure and honor to introduce ang ating keynote speaker, ang Vice Presidente ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Jejomar C. Binay.
It is a great pleasure to be with you all today on behalf of the President. Allow me to share with you his message on this particular occasion. First, I'd like to congratulate Discovery Channel and the Department of Science and Technology for this project that aims to set a standard time for the Philippines. The one-time project. Behind this lies an even more important goal, which I'm sure we can all agree with. To change our attitude on Filipino time, which most of us equate to being late. I am sure you're all familiar with the saying, time is gold. And you will agree that it rings true even to this day. Time is gold because time lost means wasted resources, wasted effort. There can be no habit more anti-progress than indulging in long and mindless distractions, and as such, the one-time project could not have been timelier. We have chosen Daang Matuwid as a path to progress and to better lives for Filipinos, and a synchronized time for the Philippines further powers a citizenry that is already synchronizing ideology in pursuing a better government and a better nation. We Filipinos know what it's like to have others impose on our time. The Spanish occupation of our country lasted more than 300 years, and for a more recent example, before the 1986 EDSA Revolution, we were under a dictatorship that lasted 2 decades. And if there's one thing that has been consistent throughout our history, it is that Filipinos have always fought for their freedom. The right to spend their time in this world without their rights being pitched upon. Today, we are called to step into a new battlefield in the war against poverty, inequality, and corruption. And a significant battle we must win is the battle with complacency. For so long, ours was a country afflicted with a complacency born out of cynicism. We had grown so used to stories of public officials misusing the funds of the Philippine people that it was easy to shrug off each new revelation because we knew that another story would appear and that nothing would be done about it. And yet, it was also because of this cynicism that I was elected into office, because of the will of a people that had once again found the strength to hope and to believe in our administration's promise to eradicate the culture of corruption and impunity. And now, 15 months into this new administration, I'm proud to say that the Filipino people have partnered with the government in the efforts that began the moment we stepped into office, from small things such as and cheering our prohibition of the use of Guangwan, to the support you have shown in our efforts to rid corruption, such as reporting cases of corruption and smuggling through the Perang Bayan website. Yet I'm also here to tell you that there is another kind of complacency we must fight. The idea that it is only up to government to uphold our agenda of integrity, transparency, and accountability. Because in truth, your government cannot do this alone. We need you, our bosses, behind us. And so it is important that we put an end to the old notion of Filipino time. Let us learn how to follow real Filipino time. The Filipino time that urges us to act now for our benefit and for the benefit of our country. This battle is against ourselves, with our only weapons being self-will, discipline, and this desire to rid our culture of this harmful habit. Let us show the world that true Filipino time is the one observed by our countrymen who leave their homes early to catch the bus or the train to be on time for work. That true Filipino time is the one observed by the mother who wakes up early to make sure her children would have a good breakfast before leaving for school. That true Filipino time is the unpaid overtime work some public servants do just so they can make this country a better place. All I ask now is that each of us begin the practice of acting on true Filipino time in our lives. It starts with the small things, reporting to work on time, or ensuring that our children attend their classes on time. But rest assured, these small things will ultimately make a difference for our country. Let us stand under the banner of solidarity. Let us recommit ourselves to fulfilling our goals in our collective responsibilities in rebuilding this nation. There is no better time than now.
Philippine Standard Time.
Itaas ang kamay kung kayo yung mga bayaning Pilipino. Magkaiway ang kamay kung kayo yung mga bayaning Pilipino. Nagbabayad pa kayo ng quiz. Lagi pa kayo on time. Itaas ang kamay kung kayo yung mga bayaning Pilipino. Pilipino ba kayo sa isip, salita at sa gawa? O Pilipino ba kayo na dada? Tignan natin. Hey, Pilipino, one at plus. Pakita sa mundo na tayo, world class, itaas ang kamay kung kayo yung mga bayaning Pilipino. Lahat tayo. Makinig na mabuti. Ang tunay na kalaban ay ang ating sarili. Wala nang excuses. Hindi na pwede maghintay. Minamahal ko ang Pilipino. Come on! Minamahal ko ang ating bansa. Tumayo tayo! Everybody stand up! Pilipinas, minamahal ko ang ating bansa. Kumanta tayo lahat! Minamahal ko ang Pilipinas,